Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and we are going to practice. In this tutorial, I will ask you some questions and you have to answer. Remember,
Okay.
whenever you face the examiner, the situation will be like this. Examiner will not be as horrible as I am, okay, don't worry. But you have to answer every question and focus the question. If the question is in present, past or future, your answer should go accordingly, okay? So
Okay.
I'm going to ask you some questions about hometown and you will answer, your strategy will be direct answer,
Okay.
elaboration and conclusion. I call it DEC, December, DEC.
Okay.
Direct answer, elaborate your answer, conclude your answer, DEC. Okay?
Okay.
So let's make a start. Tell me about your hometown.
Well, I am from Khushab. So, in my hometown, most of the people make a sweet, and it is very popular around the world. So,
Okay, that's good. But just try to organize this answer. My hometown is Khushab, which is one of the cities in Punjab, and my hometown is popular for agriculture, and there are some dairy products from something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's go on. Is it a big or small city?
well, it is a small town, and it's present in between the Sargodha and Qaidabad. So that's why.
Okay, again, answer is short. You need to add some more. Is it a small city or big city? Well, it's rather a large city as it is located between Sargodha and Kaitabad. And I think this city is quite large because there are many villages which are associated with this city. So to answer your question, it's
Okay.
rather a big city.
Okay.
Something like that, okay? Now let's go on. What's your favorite place in your hometown?
My favorite place in my hometown is its place name is Soon Valley. It is far from Khushab, so that's why when I am free, then I will be visit most
Okay,
of the time.
whenever I am free, I usually visit.
Visit
Because
that
my
place.
question is in present, so try to give your answer in present tense,
Present,
okay?
okay.
Now I'll ask her the questions and you listen to her carefully,
Okay.
okay? Let's make us start. For you, I have a different topic. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love to do travel. I usually in summer vacation we usually travel to northern areas.
Okay. This
Uh,
answer is good, but you just need to expand it a little more, right? What's your favorite mode of transportation?
My favorite mode of transportation is always a personal car because it is we can stop anywhere with kids, and by doing a bus or by a train, we can't do things according to our choice.
Okay. How often do you use public transport?
Um, very, I think I don't. I have.
Okay,
Sorry.
listen, very simple. I don't use public transport regularly, or I hardly use public transport, something like that, okay? So, how often do you use public transport?
I don't use public transport regularly. I hardly used public transport in my life.
Okay, both sentences are same. I don't use, I hardly use. Listen, you need to give full answer. How often do you use public transport? I don't use public transport because I have my personal vehicle. Whenever I want to travel, I go by car. Yes, if I have to commute to another city, then I prefer using train, and sometimes I travel by air. But otherwise, whenever I have to commute within the city, I don't use any public transport. Okay, just like this answer, you need to elaborate your answers. Short answers will irritate the examiner, and if you irritate the examiner, then examiner will irritate you.
You.
Okay, all right, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thanks a
sir.
lot.